case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard a case in 2002 in which Wanda and Christopher Cavalier accused Random House, CTW Publishing, and Children's Television Workshop of copyright and trademark infringement. The Cavaliers claimed the defendants published books and aired television series that infringed on their works, such as Nicky Moonbeam, The Man in the Moon, and Nicky Moonbeam Saves Christmas. The court found no substantial similarity between the copyrights, but specific artwork expressions were protectable under copyright law. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals upheld the district court's decision on the Lanham Act claims and substantial similarity, but reversed the decision related to the plaintiff's copyright claim on the Moon Nightlight cover and the illustration of stars relaxing on clouds. The case was remanded for further proceedings on these claims.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.